Putting up a privacy wall, a windbreaker wall. First lay your wall down on the ground, and in the middle of the wall, that is exactly where the wall will be up. Putting your tent pegs on the ends of all the pipes. The pegs at the end, put that at least 500 millimeters or more away from the wall. Same at this end, roughly half a meter or so. The pegs are in line with the pipes, and then the end ones a little bit further away. Take the end ropes, attach those to your pegs, and then put the foot in the middle of the pegs, and then do the same on the other side. Ropes attached to the end, and your wall is standing. Now just to do the rest of the guide ropes. And there you've got it. One straight privacy wall, a windbreaker wall. Now if you want to put an angle to it, I'll take the second post as the end post and move that 90 degrees that way. So I've got to take this peg out and move it to 45 degrees before I take those pegs out. And there you've got an angle to the wall. You can do any angle, and you can also do it at any of these poles, just depending on your setup. And it's easy as that.